Good evening, YouTube. So I just want to do a quick unboxing video of the Occidental Leather tool belt. So I ordered the framing version of the tool belt. And there aren't many boxes or many videos of what you get when you place an order with Occidental Leather. So I'm just going to open the box. We'll take everything out and see what you get when you make an actual purchase on their website for one of their tool belts. Sweet. So looks like it comes in its own burlap sack, handcrafted in the USA. If you know anything about any sort of skilled trade or tool belts, you've heard of Occidental Leather. They're the premier tool belt maker in my opinion, so that's why I went with them. So we'll see what you get when you open the package. This is their new limited run multicam colorway in the framing belt. So it looks like the belt is already assembled, just folded up, put in the burlap sack, and then boxed up. Nice keychain. Let's see if the model number's on the back. Occidental Leather OxyLights Framer Set in their multicam. So this was released at the same time as their Old Glory limited run belt. So I'm in year 19 of the Wisconsin Army National Guard. So when I saw the multicam set, I thought this was perfect. I knew that I was getting the framing belt to begin with. So all I needed to do was decide on the colorway, and then when I saw them release the multicam version, for me it was a no-brainer, and here we are. So the standard framing set, this is the right-handed belt, so your fastener bags will be on the left and your tool bag on the right. So there you have it. Thank you.